Shenzhen Rookie Information Technology Service Co., Limited. This is a national high-tech enterprise, a national-level specialized technology enterprise, and a comprehensive service provider of smart retail digital solutions. Affiliated to Shenzhen Yizhichuang Technology Co., Limited. Stock code 870,259. We have perfect solutions in the fields of retail, payment, identity authentication, and other fields, breaking through traditional payment habits and creating new payment methods, easier, safer, and faster. In the international market, Rookie has cooperated with more than 100 companies to bring a simpler, safer, and faster consumption experience to 600,000 end users.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.